of Paris 2024 Olympics. In Paris, our shooters are creating history, giving fighting performances that have left the world in awe. Shooter Swapnil Kusale today scripted history by becoming the first Indian shooter to bag a medal in the 50-meter rifle 3P event at the Olympics. Swapnil secured India's third medal at these Olympics, delivering an exceptional performance amidst intense competition.
It is a very, very historic moment. We've got 3 medals from shooting already. What is your analysis of Paris 2024 up until now?
I'm so happy that the shooters has done well, and Manu started with a good start. And last 2 Olympics, shooting have not won any medals,
Yes.
and large number of players this time qualified for shooting. But Manu did good start, and we were expecting medal from Manu earlier also, because we were in frequent contact with her coach Jaspal, no, and so we know that they are confident. So we know that she's going to make history, and say the same she did here also, and we were expecting from her tomorrow also, and more shooters will do good performance.
Ma'am, you were here today, you were watching Swapnil. How was it for you? We were talking to him earlier and he said, his heartbeat was also going up and down. He had like a shaky start, then he was consistent. Were you also feeling the jitters?
Yeah, that's what the same, no? So watching close to that, the Swapnil thing, it was so exciting and so nervousness we all, he came to 6th and then had come to 5th and he came to 4th, and then so suddenly he came to 5th and came to 2nd also, and then again he had come to 4th and again so it was so exciting, and it's lot of nervousness. And once I could see that when he was doing this, he's shaking his little this thing, I was so, that time we were so scared, It was a great moment for all of us.
बहुत बहुत खुशी हो रही है। मेरा बच्चा आज ओलंपिक का मेडल मिला, हमारा महाराष्ट्र का क्रीड़ा प्रबोधिनी में उसका जन्म हुआ, और 2017 के बाद वो मेरे रेलवेज में आया, और रेलवे का भी आज हमारे सब खिलाड़ियों ने उसको मैं बता नहीं सकता, इतना सुख मिल रहा है कि हमारे नासिक क्रीड़ा प्रबोधिनी, पूना महाराष्ट्र का गवर्नमेंट का इतना शूटिंग रेंज, ये सिर्फ पैदा हुआ था ओलंपिक का मेडल लाने के लिए। आज उस सब की खुशी मिल रही है। हम कोचिस को तो हमारा बच्चा है, उसका जीतना तो हमारे लिए सबसे सुखमय है। बहुत बहुत आनंद हो रहा है। उसने जो मेहनत की थी वो पूरा अपना घर दार छोड़ के पूना में पूरा सेटल हुआ था। उसके पहले 7 साल नासिक में रहा, और वो अपना घर दार छोड़ के नासिक में 8 साल रहा, उसके बाद पूना में इतने साल, अभी तो उसकी नौकरी भी पूना में है। और ये सब को आज उसके त्याग को, उसकी मेहनत को बहुत सफलता मिली, उसे मुझे बहुत बहुत खुशी है।
Karishma, the shooting team and contingent is redeeming itself like nobody's business. How many more to go?
Well, yes, absolutely, Priya. This has been a fantastic performance from Swapnil Kusale, winning the bronze medal. Even as we speak, we are looking forward to Sif Kaur Kamra and Anjum Mutkil's qualification match, but that is not going too well, unfortunately. But there are still events to go. We will be waiting for the result of the 25-meter qualification as well, in which India will have Manu Bhakar once again, and which, remember, is Manu Bhakar's pet event. So obviously lots to look forward to. But today, of course, we will have to continue to talk about Swapnil Kusale and the way he performed to ensure that India had its third medal in shooting, which was, of course, the bronze medal. Overall, also 3 medals for India from Paris Olympics. Now, there has been a bit of disappointment as well. Nikhat Zareen losing to her opponent 0-5 and ending her Olympic campaign today. But shooting proving to be very, very good for India at the Paris Olympics. We have been continuously saying that there was a lot of focus on shooting because last 2 Olympics weren't going to plan. But this time around, the focus has come back. The spotlight is on shooting for all the right reasons.
All right, stay on with me, Karishma, because we've also got congratulatory messages that have been pouring in for Kusale. Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, has congratulated Swapnil for his remarkable victory at the Olympics. The CM extended heartfelt congratulations to Swapnil's coach as well as his family. He also highlighted that this is a proud moment for the entire state, having won 3 medals so far in the Olympics.
याला ऑलिम्पिकमध्ये ब्रॉन्झ मेडल मिळालं त्याबद्दल मी महाराष्ट्रातल्या तमाम जनतेच्या वतीने 12.5 कोटी जनतेच्या वतीने त्याचं मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. मनापासून खूप खूप शुभेच्छा देतो. महाराष्ट्रातला कोल्हापूरचा हा स्वप्नील कुसाळे यांनी एक चांगली चमक दाखवली आणि चांगली कामगिरी केली. त्याबद्दल मी पुन्हा एकदा मनापासून त्याचं खूप खूप कौतुक करतो, अभिनंदन करतो. त्याच्या पालकांचं देखील मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. त्याचे कोच आहेत त्याचंही मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. त्याला ज्यांनी सहकार्य केलं त्या सगळ्यांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो आणि पुन्हा या स्वप्नीलला कुसाळेला या ठिकाणी पुढच्या वाटचालीस खूप खूप शुभेच्छा देतो.
It is not only for Maharashtra but for the entire country to be proud of these achievements. As we go, we leave you with the visuals of Swapnil's family rejoicing this momentous occasion.